If you have seven people in a meeting, but all of them is chemical process engineers, it will not be good, not so good for the Hazop meeting. You need to have a multidisciplinary team. What it means? You should have, especially if we are talking an existing plant, you have something from operations, someone very experienced in the operations, because what we design in the paper, sometimes it's different what happens in the real life, or not so different, but with details that people in the design office doesn't know what happens in the field. You should have someone from maintenance team. It's very important, because they know the behaviors of the equipment, what happens in the real life. Of course, that you must know the chemical process engineer and experienced one, and all of them. It's interesting that they are experienced people. But eventually, if you are arriving in the company, you will be invited to participate, and it's a time that you have to gain a lot of knowledge, because you will see different people with different vision talking about the same process and the concerns what can happen about that.